there, little explorers. Welcome to our big adventure. I am so happy to see you. Today, we are going on a giant adventure to find 10 amazing animals. Stand up, shake your hands, stomp your feet like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Wait, listen. Do you hear that? What could it be? Is it a kitty cat? No. Yes, it's a lion. You are so smart. We are going to find them all, from the hot jungle to the deep blue sea. It's going to be so much fun. Put on your safari hats, grab your binoculars. Let's count to 3 and jump into the jungle. 1, 2, 3, jump! Before we meet our first animal, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button so you can join all our fun adventures. Good morning, little explorers. Look, the sun is up and the birds are singing. We are at the farm today. Can you say farm? Great job! Now look over there. Who is that eating the green grass? It's a cow. A big, beautiful spotted cow. Let's spell it together. C-O-W. Cow. And what does the cow say? The cow goes moo. Can you do it with me? 1, 2, 3. Moo! Wow, you sound just like a real cow. Put your fingers on your head like horns and say it again. Moo! Now, let's walk over to the red barn. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Do you hear that? Who is making that sound? It's a chicken. Look at her bright red comb and her yellow beak. She is looking for yummy seeds in the dirt. Peck, peck, peck. Can you say chicken? Yes, chicken. Chickens have wings, but they don't fly very high. Can you flap your wings like a chicken? Put your hands under your arms and flap, flap, flap. Faster, explorers! Flap your wings fast. Cluck, cluck, cluck. You're doing amazing. Follow me to the water. Splash! Look at the pond. Who is swimming so gracefully? It's a duck. Hello, Mr. Duck. Ducks have orange feet that help them paddle. Paddle, paddle, paddle. And they have a special sound. Quack, quack, quack. Let's say it together very loudly. Quack! And now let's say it very quietly. Quack! Can you move like a duck? Hands on your hips, knees bent, and waddle. Waddle to the left, waddle to the right. You are a very funny duck. Say it one more time before he swims away. Quack! The farm is so much fun. We met the cow, the chicken, and the duck. But wait, I see a big gray shadow behind that tree. Who could it be? Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Yes, you're right. It's a cow. Shh. Walk very quietly, little explorers. We are entering the deep green jungle now. Do you see something hiding in the grass? Look at those big yellow eyes. Wait for it! Roar! It's the lion, the king of the jungle. Look at his beautiful fuzzy mane. Can you say lion? Show me your big scary lion face. Show me your claws and roar! Oh my, you are very scary. Lions are so strong and brave. Let's spell it. L-I-O-N. Lion. Look up, high in the trees. Do you hear that? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. It's a monkey. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Monkeys are very silly. They love to swing from branch to branch using their long tails. Can you pretend to swing with them? Grab the vine and whee! Swing to the left. Whee! Swing to the right. Look, the monkey found a snack. It's a yellow banana. Yum, yum, yum. Do you like bananas too? They are so sweet. Let's jump like a monkey. Jump, jump, jump. You're so fast. And look at that very tall friend. It's a giraffe. Her neck is so long she can touch the clouds in the sky. Wow. Giraffes have beautiful brown spots all over their bodies. Can you reach up high, high, high like a giraffe? Stretch your neck. Reach for the stars. Can you say giraffe? Good job. Giraffes are the tallest animals on land. Bye-bye, giraffe. It's getting very hot in the jungle. Let's go somewhere cool. Do you hear the bubbles? Let's dive into the ocean. Let's take a big, deep breath. And dive. Wow, look at all the blue water. We are under the ocean. And look, a giant whale. Blub, blub, blub. Whales are the biggest friends in the whole world. Can you say whale? That's right, W-H-A-L-E, whale. He is so big and gentle. Hello, Mr. Whale. Can you wave your hand to the whale? Wave, wave, wave. Wait, look at that fast swimmer. Who is it? It's a shark. Sharks have many, many teeth, and they love to swim very fast. Look at his fin. Do, 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 do. Can you swim fast with your hands? Move your arms. Fast, fast, fast. Look at you go. You're a fast swimmer just like the shark. Can you show me your big shark mouth? Open wide. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Good job. And look over there. It's a happy dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and play in the waves. Can you jump like a dolphin? 1, 2, 3, boing! High in the air. Shh. Let's do it again. Jump. Boing. You are a great jumper. Dolphins are very smart and friendly friends. It's time to swim back to the top. Swim, swim, swim. What an amazing trip under the sea! But we have one more thing to do before we go home. Let's see all our friends one last time. Wow! What a busy day, little explorers! Let's see all the friends we met today. Can you say their names with me? From the farm, we saw the cow, the chicken, and the duck. In the jungle, we met the lion, the monkey, and the giraffe. And under the sea, we found the whale, the shark, and the dolphin. That's 9 amazing animal friends. You are a super explorer. Give yourself a big clap. Did you have fun today? I had so much fun too. If you want to see more animals, make sure to ask Mommy or Daddy to click the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you for playing with me today. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.